Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back y'all. Welcome back y'all. Welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about Nelko portable label maker. Okay, so I am so excited to check this out. So I do want to thank Nelko so much for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to check out this Nelko portable label maker. We're about to see what it do. So let's just jump right into the video. Let go. Okay guys, so this is what the box looks like. It's super cute, classy, simple. I'm going to be making some labels for Madison for back to school. I think that would be perfect for this. I'm just letting you guys see what the box looks like, a 360 all the way around, okay? It's really cute and sleek. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It was nice and packed tight, y'all, so I had to get that plastic off, and this is the first time looking at the inside. So it's really cool. It comes with all of the directions that you'll need. Okay, so here is the directions. Make sure that you read through them, look at everything. They have an accordion, it shows you everything, tons of QR codes. I mean, they break down everything that you need to know about this cute little label maker. I mean, literally step by step. So make sure that you are looking at your instructions. I know some people just dive right in. Whatever works for you. I'm an instructions type of girl. I like knowing what I'm doing. So I'm like a little bit of a mixture. Okay, so I'm taking a look at that. They also have a nice little Bluetooth function for your phone. I have an iPhone, and I'm going to bring that up closer so you guys can see. We're going to use that QR code, the iOS, in a second, but it's just showing what you would need if you had your Google Play, if you're Android, or your App Store. I'm iPhone all day. Drop an Apple down if you're iPhone. So that's the QR code that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it. So we unwrapped it. Look how cute and sleek that is. It has a nice little handle. Wristband right there is for cutting the labels. So you click that up and it cuts it. That's the back. More QR codes. Right there, that's the power source. You want to charge it. That's how you open and lock it. Okay, so when you open it up, you're going to see the tape inside. Okay, so that's the only thing that you'll need to purchase because this is a thermal label maker. So a thermal printer, thermal label maker, etc. Once again, that's the power cord. So you would need a USB to go ahead and plug that in and charge it. I did put it on a charger for a second, but it was charged when I got it. But of course, you guys want to make sure you're using it optimized. Okay. So once again, I said we're going to use that QR code. So I went ahead and made sure I was on iOS, but a good Apple, and then it popped up Nelko. I went ahead and pressed get. I'm going to go ahead and install it off camera, and then voila, magic now is on my phone. Look at me and Maddie, those are our Christmas pictures. You go ahead and register. So I had to register, put my email, my name, my password in, and this is what it looks like. This is the home page. It says it's not connected, right? So I'm going to go ahead and look at the templates first, and then we're going to connect it to the Bluetooth. So I thought this was super cute. If you don't know where to start or what to do, it gives you tons of different templates. All right. So on here it says template, then it says all. Then it has different categories. So there's storage categories, um, all office categories, just tons of different categories that you can use, you can play around with. And look how adorable that is. Books, y'all know I love books, dogs, cats, super duper cute. Okay. So templates give you places to start if you don't know where to start. Look at the holidays, birthdays, all types of things. So I think this is super cute, super creative, and I mean, I'm actually in love with this little thing. Then you can shop. It says shop and mail, and it connects to Amazon. You would have to sign in. Then it has tutorials for the different printer models that they have. I have the P21. That's what this one is called. So it gives you tons of tutorials that you can play around and you can look. Okay. So now it's telling me to go ahead and connect to my Bluetooth. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my Bluetooth. Now, it wasn't on, so you do have to turn it on. So there's a little button on the side that you have to press down. Once again, read those directions and you'll find out. It says connect the P21, and now it's connected. When before it said it wasn't connected, now it is connected. So We locked and loaded. Now we have to figure this thing out. So I think this is cute. Look, it's smaller than my iPhone. So you could drop this in your purse. You could keep this on the go. I pressed the plus sign and now I'm going to go ahead and double click to edit. So it says double click to edit. It's showing the width and the height. So if you don't know what it is, it shows you there. So, all right, cool. It also shows where you can add pictures. So I can take a photo or I can add photos from my phone, which I thought that was cute. Here for the text, it lets you see the bold, italicized, underline, align through, the alignments, the sizing, all of those wonderful things for the text, and it's very self-explanatory. So you could go ahead and play around with that at your leisure, but I thought that was cute. Let's double tap and go ahead and put Madison's information here. So I double tapped, I'm putting in Madison Rose, and you can put whatever you want, right? I'm going to go ahead and delete that, double click to edit. So that's deleted now. I'm going to bring up Madison Rose and I think I want to make it a little bit larger. So I'm moving it around. I'm going to make it larger. In a minute, I'm going to see where you can align it to make sure it's in the center. So I'm moving it, making it larger, playing around with it, etc. Getting it exactly how I want it. This was my very first time and I'm literally showing y'all step by step. I'm not fast forwarding this part because I think it's important for you to see how I truly learned how to play around with it, right? And once you get it, if you do get it, just play around. So I click the line at the bottom and I want it center. So it shows you if you want it left to adjust it right, center, etc. So we went ahead and did that. Now here's a major part because I tried to print it, y'all. The tape was still stuck together. So you have to actually open it up, pull it out, tear a piece of the tape off, and then make sure that it's right at the edge so that it can print. Okay, so I'm showing you exactly how to do. And look, it printed out. Okay. So everything is always trial and error, but it was not really that much of a trial. Just pulled it out and voila, it printed out. And you can do multiple copies at once. It's all up to you. That one was a little bit off center. So this is what I did. I opened it up. And then I wanted to make sure that where it was printing, so that black portion right there that looks like black or gray, I want that to be right at the edge so that it can print directly in the center. All right, so I cut that off so we can start over and then we can make sure that it's aligned correctly. Like I said, trial and error, play around with it. Y'all know I keep it real and let y'all know exactly how it really works. But once I put it in there correctly, it's gonna go ahead and print out right. So I played around with it a couple times to make sure that it was aligned correctly so that it can print out correctly. And I'm like, let's get it right. So right there, it's saying that you can't get the paper. So you have to make sure that that paper is over the edge a little bit so that it can read it. So right there, you want to make sure that the paper is right there. Okay, wait, let me get it back. Come on, paper, right there. You want to make sure that it is it's over that part right there so that it can print out perfectly. Now there we go. Voila, magic. Now it's literally perfect, a perfect cut, and there we go. So yeah, we figured it out. It was very easy to figure out. It turned out cute, nice and center, exactly like I want. So I'm going to go ahead and save it just in case I want to make her more labels. It'll already be saved. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, save her name tags, and now it's saved. Now we're going to go ahead. I printed some out. We're going to print multiple out because she has a few folders and notebooks, etc. Once again, it's talking about the paper, so make sure that it's aligned correctly so that it can print out. We got to pull it up right there. You see that? We always got to pull it up, make sure that it's on there correctly, and then when it is, it'll print out perfect. Okay, so just be mindful of that. It's simple, no stress, nothing. Look at that. Nice and easy peasy. I wanted to print out more now since I had it right. I'm like, let's just keep it going. And looky, it's printing out more. Super cute, super clean, super easy. I love it. Absolutely love it. Go ahead and cut that off and bam, there you go. Now her labels, we could go ahead and put them on, like I said, her folders and her notebooks and get her ready. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So it does peel off at the top. So you hold that little black part and then you peel it off at the top, and then there you go. It's clear with black writing. I'm sure you probably could get a white sticker with black writing, but they will be black because it is thermo ink, which means you don't ever have to purchase ink. It's just a thermo printer. Okay. So I did want to peel that off because I wanted it to be a little bit over. And I'm happy I did this on camera because you can see like it can come off and then it can stick back good. So this is some good stickers, guys. Like you can peel it off and then you can stick it back and it'll still look good. So I'm happy with it. I will fast forward it because you don't need to see me put it on every single last one. But I did go ahead, get her notebooks, her folders and stuff together. And yay, looky. Come on, Nelko. We like this. This is cute, convenient, it's portable, it's on the go. You could do your spices, nail polish. If you're traveling, you can put this on anything like crafts, rhinestones, vinyl, just in case. Oh, it could go on anything, y'all. Oh, you know how you have to take things off and then you forget like the labels? You can put this on so many things, y'all. Like my mind is just going on what I could put this on. You could put this inside of your books, your children's books if they're like sharing it or different things like that. Oh, it's the possibilities are limitless with this. And this is some good quality sticker paper too, guys. Like the stickers, the stick is a good stick, y'all. I absolutely love it. So I just printed out some more. We put some more on more of her folders. And yeah, I'm going to just do some Do Dream On real quick. So since we here, let's go ahead and change the Madison Rose to Do Dream On. And then I'm going to put it on a couple things. We could fast forward it out, but I do just want to show you that you can change the words. You can add pictures. You can do all types of things. But once you get it popping, it's on. So I like this, Nelko. Thank you so much again. This is super cute, super adorable, and I'm literally thinking about all the things that I could use this for, and I'm gonna put this thing to work. So the link will be down in the description, you guys, if you're interested in this. And yeah, y'all, I love it. I am gonna show you what I put this on, but we're gonna go ahead and fast forward it out and we done. So thank you so much, Nelko. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a heart down if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, if you're thinking about getting this, if you need a label maker, all of that, because this is super cute, portable, adorable. I did go ahead and put a name tag on the Nelko itself, as well as my tape dispenser. So once again, thank you so much, Nelko, for this portable label maker. Yeah, y'all, and that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram. Do Dream One is the handle. TikTok. Do Dream One is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.